Can losing weight actually stop snoring? For many people, yes. Excess weight, especially around the neck, can narrow your airway while you sleep. When the airway becomes narrower, the soft tissues vibrate as air passes through, causing snoring. Losing weight can reduce fat around the airway. Losing weight can improve airflow. Losing weight can decrease the intensity and frequency of snoring. If you have obstructive sleep apnea, weight loss may also improve your symptoms. Weight loss does not cure everyone, and some people still need medical treatment. If you snore loudly, stop breathing during sleep, wake up gasping, or feel tired during the day, see an ENT or sleep specialist. Has anyone ever told you that you snore? Comment sleepy below and follow for more evidence-based ENT facts.